What a beautiful environment. What a beautiful morning. As well as it's a winter morning. I have come here for only practicing purpose. Okay, beloved friend, this time has much beauty of Allah, as well as this time has great opportunities for everyone. Morning time is very perfect time for practicing, learning, etc. So that's why I have come here. Okay, beloved friend, and I can see a fresh environment, fresh morning, as well as I can hear the birds are chirping, which are very sweet song I can hear from this environment. Okay, those who can get up very early in the morning and can perform fajr prayer, they can hear the bird chirping and they can feel a fresh morning and etc. So all of things are very helpful for us. If we walk early in the morning, it has much benefit for ourselves. So Alhamdulillah, we should get up properly and we should get up early in the morning, then it will be helpful for us. Okay, I love morning. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.